this coconut water with this heat. Hi. Hi. Let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Endless Wonder. I'm Jeff.
And I'm Jason. We are in Bali.
Bali.
Why are we wearing long sleeve right now?
Yeah, because we took the direct flight from Seoul to Bali and the change of weather temperature is so extreme.
Yeah, like what Jeff said when we landed, the smell of this airport is amazing. So we are really excited to enjoy the sun, sea as well as the beach. So let's go and enjoy Bali.
Let's go.
Yay!
Alright, so we are going to check in our room. We just done everything and going to find our room.
Our room is 319, which is quite a distance away from the lift. So we may need to walk quite far. So we finally come into our room. So you know when you come in, you was like greeted. This is a king size bed. So Jeff won't be complaining. My leg come over, squeezing him to the corner already. They provide clean water and the typical teas, coffee as well as a water heater. So I'm not sure do we have a view. We are at station at level 3, so it was a surprise to us as well. So that's how to open.
Find a curtain.
Oh, one-sided. It's a one-sided curtain. Oh, we have a balcony. Can we open the balcony?
The other way.
Oh, we are the pool view. Oh my god. The pool is very nice. I'm going to swim. We got very nice pool view as well as beside this tree. And I think the pub is over there. Then we can listen to some nice music as well. And we are able to see the nice statue. I'm not sure if the camera can catch. But it's like right there. Yeah. So, okay, wow, really beautiful room. This is actually Fairfield by Marriott. So I think when you hear about Marriott, then definitely there is a standard on this hotel. So yeah, so it's a very clean design with some wooden theme about Balinese, as well as a very nice big TV here. Also, it have this place for you to sit down as well as put your luggage. And I don't know what is this door. This is a door. Oh my god, it's the same as Busan Hotel. It's controlled from outside. So if you happen to come with your friend who you don't feel safe, then yeah, because this door is a bit dangerous. So let's close this and lock it. Don't let it opened. And we also have this, we also have this wardrobe for you to actually hang your clothes. Yeah, they provide some hangers as well, but do not have bathrobe. So let's see the toilet. Okay, the toilet is very huge as well. When you step in, your dry area is at your left as well as the wet areas on your right. So this shower area is really amazing. There is a rain shower and also have this sitting area for people to scrap your leg, like 闭门思过. They also provide some of the dental kits, shower caps, sanitary bags, as well as a hairdryer, as well as some towels. So definitely I think this hotel will be quite amazing for the next 2 nights in Bali. So I'm really excited already. So let's freshen up ourselves and head out for our first dinner in Bali.
Okay, so we are at the La Favela restaurant and this street is very vibrant and a lot of people here.
Yeah, I'm quite excited.
And a lot of people actually going in. So if you want to go in to have some nice dinner, right? I'm not sure whether you need to make reservations, but we did. It's best to get a reservations in advance.
Yeah, we got a reservation, so let's head in and see if we got a nice seats.
We are at the restaurant area of La Favela and the vibes here is really beautiful. Everyone walk into this restaurant will be greeted by this iconic statue. This restaurant is full of trees and everything is very beautiful. Yeah, so we are sitting there with Jason's waiting for our main dish to be served.
Okay guys, so this is our starter calamari. So let's try a taste test. Dip with the sauce. The calamari is very tender and it's fried until really crispy. So with the sauce, it's amazing. Wow, this is already a great start.
We also have some tacos and fish as well. So everything looks amazing. With the environment here, I think will be perfect for us on the first night in Bali.
Just for first night in Bali. Oh, the fish melts.
Alright guys, let's try the tacos. Look at the beef here. We tried the fish. The fish is really good. The skin is crispy and it tastes very fresh. So let's try it. Yeah, so this is our cheesecake for dessert.
Wow. It's very creamy.
Good morning everyone. So we are currently at the hotel and waiting for our grab to Brisa Sunday Market. I'm so excited to explore around the market and see what they offer, like bracelet, jewelry, or this kind of handcraft.
Yeah, so we will check it out later when we arrive in the Sunday market. So we are at La Brisa Sunday Market, so it's very vibrant here. As you can see, there's a lot of tourists. So let's go in and see what can we get around here. Very good at bargaining, I think this will be a place for you, but we are very bad at bargaining, so we rather don't buy anything.
But overall, their products all are very high quality. I bought myself a bracelet. I managed to bargain from 350,000 to 150,000, so I think it's a good buy.
People are not scared.
Okay, so behind me is the very popular Gigisusu cafe in Canggu, and we are waiting for our drinks here. You can take away from this booth or dine in at this cafe where there are sitting areas for you to have your meal here. So we are getting some smoothies here because the weather is too hot. We need some drinks to cool down ourselves. And if you want to take photo at this photo spot, you have to queue behind here, but the queue is not long. Wow, so cool. So we finally found a place to cool down ourselves because the weather outside is really unbearable.
Yeah, we needed this coconut water with this heat. Oh my god.
We are currently at this Canggu beach doing some side recce for the surfing lesson later in the evening.
Yeah, so are you excited for the surfing?
I am pretty excited and afraid of the wave as well because it looks very scary right now.
Yeah, I think it's very windy as well as the water is quite shallow. So the waves actually have a lot layered by layered across this ocean. So I'm really excited for Jeff later, so not sure if he's going to love it or hate it.
Why not you join me?
No.
Paddling first. When you're paddling, you always want to look forward, standing up. Okay, stop there. Okay, when you try to stand up now, as you can see, you're pulling it up. 1, 2, 3, low.
So it's the end of our trip.
And we'll see you soon.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Endless Wonder and follow us on TikTok and Instagram.
And we'll see you again. Bye.